All right, looking at your x-ray listings, your spinous of C2 likes to spin to the right, so let's see if that's inhibiting right range of motion. When that bone pops out, gives you head pressure, sinus pressure. Look at that, you only got about 20 degrees to the right. Let's adjust it. Now, this is not twisting, this is a lift. This is a lift. That was amazing. Let's remeasure. Let's see. Whoa, that is cool.
Awesome.
That is cool. All right, and that's how a C2 bone should be adjusted without twisting. God bless.